I've sent you a kind of instructions. I'm going to get you, excuse me, to log into my Chat GPT, and then I've sent you in the email this set of instructions, essentially the prompt that I want to use, and so you can just copy that prompt, and then you can come over here to Chat GPT and paste that in there, and then go ahead and upsert it. And then I've also shared a link to a Google Sheet. If you can't get access to Google Sheets, let me know and I will send it to you in a which we'll call it Excel format. And it's got two tabs at the bottom, one called Domains and the other one called Account Lists. And I've just tested a few here, and I'm just going to highlight that one while I'm got it up here. So what I want you to do is we pretty much need to do this like five at a time, 5, 6 at a time. It doesn't have to be exact, but it just can't be too many. And then you just copy the domains. Whoops, ended up doing the wrong thing there. Copy the domains, and then I'll come back over here and saying, hey, we want to see what domains you want to run. We'll go ahead and we'll enter that. We'll let it do its thing. So it'll go out into the internet, the wild world there, and so it often will come back as a text here, and then and then it'll say, hey, what do you want to do? And then I'll say download CSV. So download CSV, and then hit enter, and we'll let it do its thing here. Okay, and then I'll click on it because I'm using a Mac. Mine might look a little bit different than yours, which is fine. And then what we want to do is we want to copy it. So yours will probably be in Excel. You can copy it. And then we'll bring it back to this spreadsheet, go to the account list, and then come into the next slot. And then what I say, I right click, and then I say I want to do it as a pay special and values only. The one thing that is happening that's kind of weird is on the phone numbers, I'm getting this error message. And when I come up here, it's got the equals and the plus there, and I just delete those. So a little extra work for you, unfortunately, but we'll take those out. I want to try to keep the phone numbers as much as I possibly can. And there we go. And I'll take that out of there. And then I'll go back. I'll close out this sheet that opened up here. And then I'll go back to the domains tab. And I know I've done that one. I'll highlight them. And then for me on the Google Sheets, I hit these three little dots. And then I've got the fill color, and I picking yellow. And then I can just come over here, grab the next few. And and I don't know why that thing is popping up there in my way. But we'll go ahead and just say right there, grab it. And then I'll come over here and I'll paste it. And we'll go ahead and upload. Once I pasted it once at the beginning, I shouldn't have to do it again. The instructions are there. And then it does say, oh, do you want a downloadable CSV? I like to just copy that, put it down here, downloadable CSV, hit enter. And we're just letting it do its thing here. There it is. I'll go ahead and I'll click on that, open it up, do the same thing, grab it, come back over here to the other tab, the account list tab, and then come back to the column A, and then pay special, values, values only. Check out my phone numbers. Again, a couple errors, unfortunately. Sometimes this is in the way. I can't see it. I click on those little dots to get rid of it. And then I go ahead and do that. Then we'll come over here and then just do the same thing. And just repeat it. And then go highlight that and make it yellow. So pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know. And we will get them sorted out. Thanks and have a great day.